Okay, I'm going to make a really quick video on how to get your door key code if you have a push button ignition. Super easy. So what you have to do is you have to have both fobs, and you actually have to find the place in your vehicle where the fobs go. This is a fail safe if the battery dies in the fob, so you can still start the vehicle. So in a F-150, they're actually underneath the mat in the front. In an Explorer or Escape, they are underneath the middle console. However, in this Expedition that I have here, it's actually in this front cup holder right there. So we're going to take that key, we're going to put it inside there, and it's super simple. What we're going to do is we are going to press this once. We're going to wait for the accessories to start powering up. Then we are going to turn it off. We're going to switch the key, put this one in. We're going to press this button again, let it come up, and then we are just going to wait. So we'll wait a couple seconds. Bam, door key code. That is how it's done. It is that easy. Just saved you a trip. All right, guys, thanks for watching.